welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do lifestyle, we do pets, we do candles, we do snacks, we do beauty. We do it all. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. I would greatly appreciate it. And guys, as always, if you do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up because it does help me out. Also, please don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways. They will both be linked down below. We have our holiday subscriber appreciation giveaway and our holiday thrift bag giveaway. So definitely check them out if you have not already. And don't forget, I do keep adding to the holiday subscriber appreciation. So, but today's video, yay, I'm so excited, is the December 2019 Fruit for Thought. So I'm going to tell you just a little bit about the subscription and then we will actually get into it. So there are 2 different levels with this subscription of Fruit for Thought. There is the premium box and there is, or the full size, and then there is a mini. Now the full size is $44.99 and you receive 5 to 8 specially curated items, and with the mini you receive 4 to 5 of the items. One thing I do like is with the card, it will actually tell you what is in, like obviously I have the full size, so everything is in here, but it will tell me on the card what would have been in the mini. So I like to be able to tell you guys that, and if I didn't say, the mini is $31.99. Now, I do have a promo code, which I will put down below to save you 20% off your first full-size box, and that is South20. But Fruit for Thought, what is it? What is it, you ask? Well, it is a subscription box that will feature a different fruit and or vegetable every month. And it's going to have a combination of products that have scents, flavors, colors that coordinate with that month's theme. And themes are always shown in advance on their website and Instagram. There will be sneak peeks on Instagram, so make sure you follow at Fruit for Thought on Instagram. But they also, the products themselves are going to be home decor, jewelry, any type of accessory, stationery, bath and body products, artisan items. Sometimes there's yummy treats. It's just an amazing assortment. And I do like that also, in addition to seeing the upcoming months on their website, every card, like, so this is going to tell us in here what January's theme is as well. So that's pretty much everything I've got. Like I said, I'll put a link down below and that promo code South20 if you would like to sign up and save 20% off your first full box. So let's open it. I'm dying to see what is in here because I have seen 1 or 2 of the sneak peeks on Instagram and I know that the theme is Candyland. Okay, now this box is available until the 18th. You can still get this box if you like this particular box, this Candyland themed box. You can still order it through the 18th, which I know isn't that far away. I apologize. But you do have till the 18th to get this box. So they always come like this, so cute. I mean, look at the ribbon. I just can't get over it every time. All right, so I don't like having to cut the ribbon. Doesn't want to cooperate with me today. All right, there we go. So we have our card. So again, the December theme is Candyland, and I can see some sneak peeks on the card. And the January theme, how appropriate, is Mimosa. If you see right there. Oh, I can't. Y'all, yes. All right, so then here on the back, it will tell us, like I said, all of the items, and it will tell us what would have been in the mini. So I love that. All right, so we got squigglies, and under that are going to be goodies. So I'm just going to grab this big item. What are you? I don't know, it's so gorgeous. Holiday Treats, Michael Design Works, Shea Butter Soap made in England. You guys, look at this. Like the old wax seal. And look how big, like, oh. Oh, that smells good. What is that? Y'all, let's find this. Let's see. Huge Bath Soap Bar by MichaelDesignWorks.com, scented in maple, fudge, and toffee with a sprinkling of rum and coconut. The packaging is so pretty, you might want to give it as a gift. I mean, if it didn't smell so good, I might want to give it as a gift. But y'all, that smells so good. I don't want to open it right now. I would open it and show you, but it is just, yeah, it says artisanal soap made in England, and this is holiday cookie. Y'all. And I just think it's so gorgeous. Okay. Already off to a great start. Okay, and then we have, ooh, Lollipop Bubble Bath Cake, Luxe Blue. Relax during this crazy season in a bath with a fruity bubble bar by luxeblue.com. You can smell it a little bit. They've got it sealed really well, but I do get a small little hint of, oh, you know why? Oops, that happens. That's why I probably can smell it. Oh, it does smell good. Says to use your bubble bath cake, simply crumble the desired amount under running water for luxurious bubbles. So you don't have to use the whole thing, and I can see some glitter, like some gold. Do you guys see that? Fun, 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 fun. All right, and then what do we have here? Oh, and now I'll be honest, this is a subscription I have been wanting to try, and that is Candy Club. It's something I really think Christopher would obviously enjoy. He's a 9-year-old boy. I'm not gonna lie, Mom would enjoy it too. But we have something from Candy Club, and this is some rainbow wheels, tightly wound coils of bold and fruity double-sided licorice. Look at that. It wouldn't be Candyland without candy. We've included yummy rainbow licorice wheels by candyclub.com. And, oh, hold on, there's something else. There's something else. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? You guys. And a giant swirl lollipop reminiscent of childhood. And yes, it is. I remember getting these when we would go like different places and you'd see them in like the old country stores or things like that. Oh my gosh. You guys. What? And so far, all of these items, it appears, would have been in the mini box as well. All right, and then we have something right here in a tube. It says cupcake, Smins gourmet scented pins. Let's see. So I'm guessing cupcake. Oh, y'all. Like, I thought maybe the ink would be, but it's the pen, and there are literally little like vent holes. Huh. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Literally smells like cupcakes. And like, you see like the frosting and everything. Oh my gosh. I have a pen addiction. I love cute pens. But this is like, not only is it cute, but it really spins. Like legit, this probably is, you know, they have those other pens that smell, and no, this is the real deal. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. All right, let's see. Then we have, whew, getting excited. Oh my goodness, are you serious right now? Green tree jewelry. You guys look, these, oh my gosh. We have also included some fun, festive, colorful laser cut wood earrings by greentreejewelry.com that will be perfect for the holidays. Now, this would not have been in the mini box, but you guys look, they are so gorgeous. And they have purple, red, teal, yellow, pink, blue, green. They have so many different colors that you could wear these with so many different things. Those are some fun earrings. Like, I really like these. Made from certified sustainable wood. Yes, I'm so excited. Those are so pretty. Gosh, there's a lot in here. Let's see. So we had our pin, which I stuck right there. Our lollipop. We have the bubble bath bar, the ginormous, amazing smelling bar of soap. We have our Candy Club candy wheel, rainbow wheels. And it looks like there is still one more thing in here. All right, and it says the star of the box is a fun ice cream bowl by gourmac.com to treat yourself when you're home in your warm PJs this winter. Y'all, are you ready for cuteness overload? That's an ice cream bowl. It says in here, it is dishwasher safe, which is good, and BPA free. I like that. But not suitable for microwave. It says size to fit all your toppings. Oh my goodness. That is the cutest ice cream bowl I have ever seen. Like, and it is plastic, but you can tell it's a good solid plastic. The quality is definitely there. Oh my gosh, y'all. And according to the card, the only thing that would not have been in the mini box are the earrings. So this just adorable, like I'm almost at a loss for words. This adorable ice cream bowl, the Candy Club rainbow wheels, these just absolutely beautiful earrings. We got the bubble bath bar. This gorgeousness to wash ourselves with, which I don't even know that I want to do because it's just so beautiful. We have an old school, just amazing, huge lollipop, and the cupcake pin. It smells so good. So that was the December 2019 Candyland Fruit for Thought box. Like I said, the January theme is mimosa. I cannot wait, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna contain myself. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to check out Fruit for Thought, as well as that promo code to save you 20%. Like I said, this box will be available till the 18th, so you have at least 1 or 2 more days. Hop on it if you like this. I've loved every box. I'm not gonna lie. I've seriously loved every box from Fruit for Thought. It is always amazing. There was a peanut butter and banana box, you guys. Whoo! And then they had a coffee and apple pie. It's just an amazing box. Trust me. So if you like what you saw here, the link will be down below. You have till the 18th. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.